Hello friends, I am Asang Dani and today I am going to show you how we can install VirtualBox software on Windows XP, Vista or Windows 7. The procedure that I am about to describe is valid for any version of VirtualBox from 3.2.10 onwards. So just follow whatever I tell you, even if your VirtualBox version is different than the one I am describing right now. What I have done is, from virtualbox.org I have downloaded the latest version, which is 3.2.12. Let me show you how we can go about it. We have to simply point our browser to www.virtualbox.org. There you would be shown the choice of different versions of VirtualBox depending on the operating system. VirtualBox was originally Sun Microsystems software. Now it has been taken over by Oracle. So you go to the downloads link. Now you will notice here that there is VirtualBox 3.2.12 for Windows host, and next to that there is x86/AMD64. So you click on that link and you will see that it will directly take you to the download link. It's about 75 megabytes in size, so I suggest that you use a proper download manager in case you have a slow or unreliable internet connection. I have already done this and placed the downloaded software on my desktop. So I'm going to click cancel now, but you should go ahead and download the software. Now once we download it, we have to simply double click on the desktop icon, which is VirtualBox executable. It will take some time for the VirtualBox software to launch. The installation is fairly straightforward. First I click on the next, which brings me to the license agreement, and I click accept and then choose next here. I'm going to choose the default location here, which is C:\program files /Oracle/VirtualBox. Then I choose next, and in the next screen where it shows create shortcut on desktop and create shortcut in quick launch bar, I'm again going to choose the defaults and click next. Now during the VirtualBox installation, if you have network connections which are currently active, then those would be reset. This is a warning, so I just click yes to proceed with the installation, and then I click install. Depending on the speed of your system, this may take a couple of minutes. So just be patient and wait for the VirtualBox to start the installer. It will copy the necessary files and install some drivers that are required for the VirtualBox software to function correctly on your Windows machine. VirtualBox allows you to install other operating systems within your Windows OS as if they are applications, without having to reformat your machine, without having to multi-boot your machine, and it becomes a very convenient option, especially when you are learning or even when you are doing some work professionally and you need multiple operating systems for your work. So through the VirtualBox virtualization engine, we can load a variety of different operating systems. In fact, more than one operating systems can be also installed through VirtualBox software. All that you need is good amount of disk space, and this is a prompt that shows whether we want to accept driver installation. So I click continue anyway. there would be couple of such pop-ups that would come up during the installation. We are simply going to accept all of those. The installation is almost complete, so you just have to endure a couple of these continue anyway boxes, which tells you that some logo certified drivers were not found. So do you want to continue with the installation? You certainly have to click on the continue anyway, because we do want again click continue anyway. Finally, it will show you a message saying that the installation is successfully completed, and we are going to click finish here. On completing the installation, it will start the VirtualBox, as the option for starting VirtualBox automatically at the end of the installation was selected. You just have to wait for a while and it will launch the VirtualBox software. In the next presentation, I will show you how we can install a new virtual operating system using VirtualBox. But this is how simple it is to set up VirtualBox on your machine. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Take care and goodbye.